This beautiful craftsman-style home has an amazing floor plan with gorgeous high ceilings on each level, a bright and welcoming 2-story foyer, open kitchen breakfast to living room, a covered back porch, and huge master with sitting area. Just to name a few of the remarkable features. It is located on a corner lot in the very back and private area of the subdivision and has an office on the main floor that could easily be converted into a bedroom, if desired. New exterior and interior paint and new carpeting on main level make this home move-in ready.